Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Hari's Edu World. My name is Hari Krishnan. This channel provides very important GK questions, MCQ questions based on relevant topics in competitive examinations. So friends, in this video we will be discussing very important MCQ GK questions related to the topic Indian Parliament. So a relevant topic in all competitive examinations. So don't miss any questions. Watch this video full. Okay, let's go to the questions. So before that, do support me, subscribe my channel and enable the notification button. Okay. So here we have the first question. The article that deals with the constitution of parliament. Answer Article 79. So I would like to add one more point to this. The Indian Parliament consists of Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and the President of India. So in fact the President of India is not a member of either house of the Indian Parliament. Second question. Rajya Sabha is constituted under which article of the Indian Constitution? Answer Article 80. So related to this, there is one more important question. What is another name of Rajya Sabha? The another name of Rajya Sabha is the Council of States or Upper House. Next question. Lok Sabha is constituted under which article of the Indian Constitution? Answer Article 81. And we also have another name to Lok Sabha also. It is also known as House of the People or Lower House. Okay, remember this also. Who is known as the father of Rajya Sabha? And we have four options. The right answer is option A, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. So he is known as the father of Rajya Sabha. And then who is known as the father of Lok Sabha? The father of Lok Sabha is G.V. Mavlankar. And G.V. Mavlankar, there is one more important point related to this, and that is who is the first speaker of Lok Sabha? Answer is G.V. Mavlankar. So G.V. Mavlankar is father of Lok Sabha, is also known as the father of Lok Sabha, and he is also the first speaker of Lok Sabha. Next question. The maximum strength or the number of members of the Rajya Sabha? Answer option D, 250. So friends, out of this 250, 12 members were nominated by the President of India, and the remaining 238 members are representatives of the states and of the two union territories of India. And only two union territories, Union Territory of Delhi and the Union Territory of Puducherry. Next question. The tenure of the elected members of Rajya Sabha? Answer 6 years. Okay, then what will be the tenure of elected members of Lok Sabha? Answer is 5 years. As per Constitution of India, what is the maximum strength of the Lok Sabha? Answer 552. So out of this 552, 2 members to be nominated by the President of India as the representatives of Anglo-Indian community. Who among the following is the presiding officer of the Lok Sabha? Answer Speaker of Lok Sabha. So Speaker of Lok Sabha will be the presiding officer of the Lok Sabha. Who is the ex officio chairman of Rajya Sabha? Answer: Vice President of India. Let me add few more important points related to this. So, who is the first chairman of Rajya Sabha? A relevant question. The first chairman of Rajya Sabha is Dr. S. Radha Krishnan. And also the longest serving chairman of Rajya Sabha is Dr. Hamid Ansari. Sovereignty of Indian Parliament is restricted by, right answer is a judicial review. The quorum of Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha is 1/10 of the total membership. Which one of the following bills must be passed by each house of the Indian Parliament separately by special majority? Answer: option D, Constitutional Amendment Bill. Which one of the following has the power to initiate the motion of impeachment of the President of India? Answer: option A, both the House of the Parliament. Which non-member can participate in the business of either House of the Parliament? Answer: the Attorney General of India. Age of a candidate to contest parliamentary election should not be lesser than 25 years. Answer is option C. What can be the maximum interval between two sessions of Parliament? Answer: option C, 6 months. So friends, you can find more important questions related to the Indian Parliament in the description box of this video. So thank you for watching this video, and do support me, subscribe my channel and share the content of this channel to your friends, and thank you so much.